lights don't fade, dreams get pretty.
Yeah. City breathing through neon signs, running on hope in overtime. They see the smile, not the pain. Late night grind, early plane, phone full of calls I don't answer. Heart too wild, life too fast. Started with nothing but faith, now every move calculated. I was lost, now I'm found. Turn my scars into sound. If they doubt, let them talk. I'm still running, never walk. There's no sleep in my city. Dreams too loud, heart too busy. If I fall, I bounce back quickly. Yeah, the grind don't miss me. There's no sleep in my city. Bright lights make me dizzy. From the bottom to the skyline pretty. I'm alive, can you feel me? Cold nights made my vision clear. Every loss pulled me closer here. Fake love fades when the lights go low. Real ones stay, that's all I know. Money talks but I stay silent. Built this life from pain and patience. They doubted me back in the day, now they asking me the way. Heart on fire, soul so deep. Big dreams even when I bleed. I don't stop when hope gets thin. I was born to win. There's no sleep in my city. Dreams too loud, heart too busy. If I fall, I bounce back quickly. Yeah, the grind don't miss me. There's no sleep in my city. Bright lights make me dizzy. From the bottom to the skyline pretty. I'm alive, can you feel me? If the sky falls, I stand tall. If the night calls, I won't fall. Every tear turns to gold. Every story needs to be told. There's no sleep in my city. I breathe hustle, chase destiny. Lonely roads never scare me. This life chose me already. Sunrise hits, I'm still ready. No sleep, just legacy.